Hi everyone, welcome back to Anjurisa channel. In this video, I want to show you how I made this face mask. This face mask fits me very well. It follows the shape of my face and chin. Don't worry, I provide the face mask in various sizes. If you love anything about handicraft, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. I use a soft cotton fabric with a beautiful pattern. If you want to make this for your boyfriend or hubby, you can use fabric that's suitable for men. Fold the fabric in half. The size for this fabric should be larger than the template. You can check out this template in the description of this video. Use a scale of 100 when you print out all the templates I provided. This box should be an inch and this should be 1 centimeter. With the fabric folded in half, cut this template. Depending on the seam allowance, mine is about ½ inch. So I cut the fabric ½ inch larger than the template. I'm gonna sew this part. I always use 90/40 needle to sew cotton fabric. A face mask is important nowadays. A fabric mask isn't 100% effective as a barrier, but it can reduce the distance droplets travel. I'm gonna sew these parts, so I'm using fabric clips to hold the fabric. I don't recommend you to use pins or needles, because pinholes make it easier for virus to come through. Next is to sew these parts. Cut these parts to make it easier to press the fabric. Make sure to choose the right size for your face. If your face mask doesn't fit properly, you will continually adjust it and end up touching your face. That can expose you to the virus. Press this part. This will prevent the fabric from bulky, and it makes your face mask look more professional and clean. Washing your mask in the washing machine after each time you wear is enough to sanitize it. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. You can start to see the shape. Prepare another piece with the exact same measurement, and this is the right side. Put the face mask with the right sides together. Again, use fabric clips instead of pins because pinholes are bad for your face mask. Social distancing and frequent hand washing are the best ways to prevent the spread of the virus between you and others. And if you choose to wear a fabric mask, it's recommended to change your mask every 4 to 5 hours. I'm going to sew this part and this part. I received many suggestions that my tutorial is too fast and I need to show the sewing process. You can skip the sewing process if you want. After this, we need to trim this part. And this one. Turn the fabric inside out. Press the fabric for the last time. I've been asked a lot about this ironing board. This is just a regular pillow covered with cotton fabric. And because cotton fabric is heat resistant, it's better to use cotton fabric. You can start to see the beautiful shape. tuck this fabric inside. We'll attach the elastic band later. If you have tic-tac buttons, snap buttons, it will be easier to change the elastic. You can check out my previous video, or you can click the card that appears on the top screen. Prepare the elastic band. Because this is handmade, you can adjust the size. My size is about 7 inches. Attach the elastic here and make sure that the elastic band isn't twisted. I'm going to sew this for the last time. Our face mask is finished. The best thing about this face mask is reversible. Just remember which part you used before washing this face mask. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and comment about what you don't like. If you have any questions, write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!